Hello guys, my name is Abdul Hamid and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, I am going to show you some amazing tips or tricks of eFootball PES 2021. So, let's start without wasting any time. First tip or trick, how to score a dribbling goal. Now, to score a dribbling goal, when you get the ball, just control your joystick. And when a defender comes to you, control your joystick to the left or to the right. So it will be easy to pass the defender. And when you come near to the post, shoot the ball and it will be goal. Second tip or trick, how to play lofted passes. So, to play lofted passes, first get the ball and then hold your pass button and flick it upwards, and your ball will be lofted to a player you had indicated. Third tip or trick, scoring a goal with powerful shoot. So, to shoot a powerful goal, all you have to do is double click on the shoot button and it will be a powerful goal. Fourth tip or trick, how to curve a ball. So, to curve a ball, all you have to do is place your joystick on the top corner of the post and just double click on the shoot button and your ball will be curved. Fifth tip or trick, how to score a 1v1 goal. To score a 1v1 goal, all you have to do is pass a ball to the player who is free, and when he reaches near goalkeeper, just place a ball to the left bottom corner or to the right bottom corner, and it will be a sure goal. Sixth tip or trick, how to score a goal from a free kick. So, to score a goal from free kick, all you have to do is draw a curve on your screen and to the target where you want to score a goal. Seventh tip or trick, how to score a simple goal. So, to score a simple goal, all you have to do is place your cursor or joystick to the target and click shoot button only once, and hence it will be a goal. Eighth tip or trick, double touch skill. Now, to use this skill, you can use two players. One is Neymar Jr. and another is Jay Sancho. So I have Neymar Jr. and I will use him. So all you have to do is click your joystick and press dashboard. You have to do this at the same time and Neymar will do double touch skill. I hope you like this video. Now, for more such kind of videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Gossipfunda. And do not forget to like, share and comment in the video. Thank you for watching Gossipfunda. Now, For more such kind of amazing videos, visit our official website gossipfunda.com, and there you can see everything that you are looking for. And even APK is available on Google Play Store, or you can download it from gossipfunda.com. Thank you for watching this video.